Okay, so after completing a table model that supplies ResultSet data to the JTable, and also we have the ResultSet table model, we have it right here. These are the two files that we have created, and these are long files of more than 200 lines of code for the display query results.java, and also the ResultSetTableModel.java, and this one is around almost 200 lines of code, and this one has this one has the main method. And here when we run it, we're gonna have this GUI. So as you can see, this is connected to the database. So this is the database that we're using, the MySQL. So we can close this one, and if we go into the schemes books and go into the table authors, we can right click here, and here we have the author ID, the first name and the last name. So select from the books that author. So we already did all of this. So these are the videos that I'm gonna let, so you can check it out. These are long videos. So a table model that supplies ResultSet data to JTable part 4, and this would be pretty much this. There will be this one, the display query results.java. And let me see, let's add another. Let's go here and pretty much just insert into the name of the table. So it's gonna be authors, and we're gonna insert the ID. Let me see, we can go here and we're gonna have values, and we are gonna have the ID. Well, not the one, it should be 9, and we are gonna have, let me see, first name and last name. Okay, so as you can see right now, if we click it, we only have 8 names and last names. So let's add another one, and let me see, we can add, I don't know, so we have Eminem, Tupac, I don't know, Biggie, like that. Smalls, okay. And no, we don't save it like that, my bad. And what we are gonna do is we are gonna and we need to end it with a semicolon here, and we just execute the selected. What I do is I just select the whole text and then execute the selected portion of the script or everything. And we have here big, small, so we have added a second one. So if we play it again, it should be updated. So now we have Tupac and Biggie Smalls, and for example, you can start writing your queries from here. So let me see, we can have, I don't know, let me see, select from the books author. So we can say select first name, for example, select first, let me see, first name from books author, and then just submit query. Let me see if I wrote it bad, so it's gonna be first name, okay, name from books that authors. Okay, so what I'm writing is first the schema and then the table. And as you can see, we have Harvey, Paul, Andrew, David, all these are the first names, so it's working. So now let's see by last name, so it'll be let me see, select last name from schema.the table, so in this case books.author. So submit query, and now we have Deitel and all the stuff, shady, hip, small. So we have that. Let me see, we can close it. Let's do it again. And also we can filter, I don't know, we can put let me see, ID, and we can filter David, let me see, applied and we can select from author. Let me see, author ID. Oops, my bad, it was not here, it was from here. Select author, let me see, select author ID from book. So let me see, and what will be the author ID. Apply filter, and the author ID will be from number 1 all the way to 9, because that's what we have here. And you can add another one, I don't know, unknown maybe, so or Tesla, yeah, Tesla, and we can put Elon, something like that. We can insert it, and now we will have 10. So if we update it, let me see, we're gonna go right here to the GUI, and we will have 10. So select, we have selected from the author ID the first name and the last name, as you can see. And here you can put in first name maybe, let me see. Well, it's not gonna show right here, but if we let me see, apply filter, let me see if we put Elon, let me see, it's gonna show us that. So we have the filter. Let me see, smalls, if we put smalls, no, let me see, it has to be small, so smalls. Okay, so it has to be sensitive, case sensitive. Okay, so these are the files, and the way that we did it is in the Java project, as we always do, with Control All. Well, I'm using a Windows, so it'll be Control All Windows N, and from here, new project, Java, all the stuff, you name it. And here in this folder lib we have the MySQL connector. So we have this one, the extension that ends in jar, so I have connector here. And in the source we have the display query results .java. So this is this file. I'm not going to explain it because it's way too long, it's more than 200 lines of code. And then we have this table, that is the ResultSet table. This is the ResultSet table.